Hi, my name is Fran Hoffman. I am the CEO of Miami Cordage.
And hi, I'm Amy Mehndiratta. I am the operations analyst at Miami Cordage.
Our company is a almost 65-year-old company. We manufacture fiber rope, a lot of custom assemblies. We're also a full wire rope rigging shop. We carry a lot of marine and industrial supplies as well. So we do a lot of custom fabrications, but a lot of off-the-shelf items. We moved into Rubicon. We transitioned from our other accounting system in 2020. So we're still relatively new with Rubicon, but love the product. We've got a lot of wonderful benefits from it, both from an inventory standpoint, an accounting standpoint. Amy's been a huge proponent of Rubicon and can speak a lot about it.
While we were looking for the switch from our previous accounting software, which was QuickBooks, I think most of the people use that because it's easy for small business, but we outgrew it. And we were looking at, I want to say maybe 10 or 15 different companies, and I had demos with them. So we reached out to Rubicon and we had a couple demos online on Zoom call. And then eventually when we got to know like, okay, this is exactly what we were looking for. It was basically just a day thing that, okay, you know what, Fran, I like it. Fran did the demo and she asked another vendor that has this Rubicon system already, asked for their feedback. And then we were like, you know what, let's just go with it. We had Jeff Jesko come over for 2 days and he basically explained the entire software to us, trained our entire team on it. And even after that, we were able to go back and forth for all the questions, and he was responsive and helped us out throughout the onboarding process.
When we've implemented the system, because of the nature of what we do, and there's so much customization in our manufacturing process, we did a lot of customization to the Rubicon software system. Working with your team, everyone has always been responsive, coming up with solutions for us, giving us guidance where we weren't sure how best to handle certain situations. And I know Jeff is always a phone call away, and he's the best to work with.